Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we are going to do single stroke vertical capital lettering. So the height of our letter will be 10 millimeter. So we are going to do the measurement, 10 millimeter measurement. And the space between each letter, we'll leave it at 2 millimeter. Ten millimeter. Then we'll get the center. These guidelines have to be thin when drawing it. You have to use thin guidelines. Don't make the guidelines thick. It's the letters we are going to make thick. Then now we'll get so this vertical lettering is just straight. The letters are straight. The angle of the letters is 90 degrees. It's not inclined, it's vertical. So we will now measure. I'll measure the height is 10. So we can also use the width 10. Then the distance between the letters, let me see. I'll leave it. Let's leave it 2 millimeter. So then we put 10, then 2, 10, then 2, 10, then 2. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. So 10, then 2, 10, then 2. So 10, then 2, 10, then 2, 10, then 2, 10, then 2, 2. So that's all. We'll finish this for the 26 letters of the alphabet. Then next, we're going to draw the lines. So since it's vertical lettering, the angles of the letters are 90 degrees. All the angles are 90. That's why I'm drawing straight perpendicular lines. Then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to find the center of all these spaces. So starting with this one, the center of this 10 is what? Is 5. So we'll mark 5 here. Then from here also, the same thing. The center of this is here. We mark it. That is the space from here to here. The space from here to here. Here also here to here. I'm going to mark the center. So it's here. Then also this point. All of them are going to mark the center. So we are done with the measurements. Now we will also transfer the distance we measured here below to the above line. So we'll transfer it like this. So I will get the center. Now we can start the lettering since we have measured all the dimensions. Now the first letter is letter E. So let's draw it. So or let's write it. When you write letter E, you will not mark here, you come down a little bit. Then letter B. Here's letter B. Then letter C. Then letter D. Then letter E. Letter F. Then letter G. Then letter H. Then letter I. Then letter G. Then letter K. Then letter L. Then letter M. Then letter N. Then letter O. Then letter P. Then letter Q. See where from this center, cut it small like this. Then letter R. Then letter S. Can bring this here a little bit. Then letter T. Then letter U. Then letter V. Then letter W. Then letter X. Then letter Y. Add here a little bit. Can bring here a little bit. Then the last letter, letter Z. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.